Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I had someone in the last video ask me how did I do these decoupage type flowers my way. So you guys, I'm sorry. I guess I've been crafting for so long. I've been sewing since I think it was 14. And then I started crafting in 2009. And I take for granted that people know what to do. And I'm so sorry about that, because I have to remember that I have newer people that are newer to crafting that's on my channel. And also another thing is that I don't do tutorials. I may do you see me do start to finishes, but I sometimes don't think that I'm good enough for tutorials. But the only way that I will get better, I just got to keep doing it. So, like I said, I do apologize for that. So that's what I'm here for today. It's very simple and easy to me. But like when I first started, when I bridged over from sewing to paper crafting, man, it was a whole new, I didn't know how to do nothing. So it was like, can you show me how to do a simple fold? So it brought me back to that. Okay, so the first things, let me see. Let's cover. These came from, like in the last video, I scaled them down, of course, to fit like on front of a 3x3, so they're smaller. These came off the Anna Griffin cartridge. She had a gift card holder cartridge, and I bought the whole cartridge. And these are part of that. However, in Cricut Design Space, she do have where you can just buy these if you wanted to. But I had already bought the cartridge, and later on they released just you can buy pieces. Next up, the reason why my images and stuff pop to the degree that they do, these were just like these were printed on HP, because I'm using my HP printer. It's the HP premium presentation paper. You see you can do two-sided printing, but it's inkjet in matte. Now, normally when I print out anything, I only use I have a color printer, a color laser printer by Dell, which is what I normally always use. But HP, I would have to go in the settings and fool with the Dell to change the settings and stuff to make it pop. But HP, baby, they quality, they just pop every time. And so I use these were printed off on the HP Photo Smart 6520 printer. Okay, HP Photo Smart 6520 printer. Now I'm saying all this for a reason, and the reason is because that's what I use to get, my images to pop. They look so, lifelike. However, I am finna switch from using this particular HP printer because the ink is high, and I want to get one of the printers that will work with the HP printer program. But I was reading reviews on different ones, and the Photo Smart one that I have just has the best quality for prints, but we'll see how that goes. And like I said, I have different printers for different reasons. So whichever one that you have, just try that first before you try to invest in a printer. But if you're gonna get an HP one, please make sure you get one that's on the printer program. That way you don't have to spend that much money for ink if you're going to be printing a lot. Okay, so like I said, I have a laser 8.5 by 11 color laser printer. I have an HP Office Jet printer that prints full borderless 12 by 12 prints. So my scrapbook papers that I buy, this 12 by 12, I can print them right out. And I just last night stayed up all night re-added them all to my network, because when I switched to another internet provider, I had a hard time trying to figure out to get them to connect to the network, but I finally figured it out yesterday. Alright, so now, after all of that rambling, am I missing anything? Oh, this paper right here, this premium presentation paper is not thick. It is thin. So keep in mind, it's 32 pounds. There you go. Can you wait? I don't want to cause no avalanche. 32 pounds. I'm zoomed really close in so you can see. It's 32 pounds. So the presentation paper is not thick. It's not thick. It's like more like for brochures, but they work great. A lot of people that do digital prints, they use presentation paper. So that's how this came into play. What else I'm gonna say about that? Like I said, it's inkjet. So you know, most inkjets bleed. When I put the stickers on, it did not bleed, but I noticed when I went around with my Nouveau pen, it bled. So I do have several sprays that you can spray to seal your stuff if that's an issue for you. But that's why from the beginning I got a laser printer. All right, so okay, like I said, today I did the printing cut for my Cricut. It actually worked. You know, when I told you when we did that for Lady Craig, I had to cut all this stuff by hand. It actually worked. But let me show you what I did. Like I said, it's very simple to me. But when you're new, everything is hard. So I printed these out 3 times in the exact same size. Okay? So that's what you want to do. 3 times the exact same size. This one is going to be my bottom layer because as you can see, it did not cut all the way. You know, Cricut left some of my white pieces. And I have the Cricut Explorer. I don't have the newer one. I was not going to get that one, but I didn't change my mind, so I'm gonna get the new one. But I wasn't in no rush because I don't use my Cricut machines that I have enough anyway. But anyway, this is gonna be my bottom piece because I want to hide the white. Okay, so that's gonna be flush to your project. The next one, I didn't alter this one. Okay, it's the same exact thing. It's gonna layer on top. However, I just have 1 layer of foam tape. Okay, and that's gonna layer on top. Now this foam tape right here is from the Dollar Tree. If I had known that Jot, I think it's J-O-T, I guess it's Jot. If I had known this brand of foam tape was gonna be good, I would have got them all. I only bought one because you have to be careful about the Dollar Tree adhesive. Y'all know I love that glue from the Dollar Tree, the liquid glue that Lady Creep hit me on to. But the foam tape I had never tried, so I hate I didn't get more because this foam tape is awesome. So that's the foam tape that I have on the back. I like it because it's not extremely thick. And then the pieces that you want to accentuate on the die cut that you want to make pop, you just cut it out. So I just cut out the roses. Like I said, I cut this out hand by hand because you know, it's printed cut. And what you do is I layered it up with 2 layers of foam tape. Now, if you want to make it even thicker, you can do 3 layers. But I did 2 layers because I don't know exactly what I'm going to use this for. So that's why I did 2 layers. And I also printed out this one. It's going to be the same way. This is going to be the base because it's imperfections. This is going to be the top piece. Have the foam. And then this is going to be the last piece, the 3rd dimension. And you see I just cut all the extra stuff off. You can leave all that if you wanted to. But I didn't because I wanted to try to cut these foam pieces to fit the little thin piece. And you just glue them together. Now, I stay here in Mississippi. For the people that are new, don't know, honey, I don't trust no adhesive when it comes to this Mississippi heat. So I always add adhesive, more liquid adhesive back to the foam because I have mailed stuff off and the stuff done fell apart. I done you know, made stuff here. You go back, it done fell apart. So I always double adhesive everything. Okay, so let me see here. So all you're gonna do is just take it off and layer it up. You just want to make sure that it's you know, the same. And then you just use your stickles or whatever glitter glue you want to use to make that baby pop. And like I said, after I put this together, if I want to, I can spray. I can take them outside and use a spray sealer to seal this so it won't bleed. But like I said, these didn't bleed on me. So other than the words, the print for you. that I printed off. And so I'll, let me see. I should have tried to have this off. Like I said, this stuff by tutorials that I don't like doing, but knowing me, it would have stuck to everything. It would have got up the film and it would have stuck to my pants or something. So, did I get it all? Let me see. Okay. And like I said, this is reptile glue. Paper Posh Lady. She did a video on a glue that works for her, that she likes above all. Y'all know I ain't loyal to nothing, but the Holy Ghost. And so I have all different type of glues, and I do go through seasons. But after she showed this glue, I ordered a bottle on Amazon. As you can see, it's down here. So I've been using it non-stop because that's the only way I'm gonna know if I'm gonna like it. So I transferred it into this little bottle that I ordered from off AliExpress. Okay. Sorry, I'm out of frame. And I done figured out how to mirror my screen from my iPad to my Mac, because I film on my iPad. From my iPad to my Mac so I can see better what I am doing. So I'm pretty excited about that. I didn't do it today, but I figured out how to do it. I learned how to do it, I should say, a proper way, and it actually, somebody did a video and it actually worked, and I was like, yes. Because with these Apple products, by the time you get one some, it'd be outdated because they've been came out with something else. And did you guys see where Apple and Windows have, now I did not make that even. See, it's not all the way even. Did you guys see where Apples and Windows has just launched a app where you can make your Apple devices, like your phone stuff, talk to the Windows? That is so awesome, which is why I never I love the Apple system, because I can drop something in one spot and pick it up in the other. I absolutely love that, which is why I'm just Team Apple for that reason alone. Okay. And then the last one is going to be like this. I think I was out of frame. It ain't no think about it, I was. Sorry. So hopefully this is helpful. Alright, so let me just try to... I wear glasses, and my glasses are in the car, you guys, so I cannot see without my glasses. And I'm sorry, I didn't think to go out there and get them for this. So you see what I'm saying? Now, that's the one layer. That's the double layer. Now, if you want to, you can do 2 layers at the bottom and 3 layers at the top. But like I said, I don't know what I'm going to use this for. So, and that's it. That's your decoupage. Now, they do have, it's companies that sell these already like this that you can buy. When I used to buy from HSN, I haven't ordered an HSN in a long time. But when I used to order from HSN, well, I take that back. I just bought an Anna Griffin wallet die. But before that, I hadn't bought in probably about 2 years because they keep taking the prices up. But anyway, when I used to order from HSN, what was I going to say? Oh, my God. Oh, I know what I was going to say. And I'm not going to edit this out, y'all. This is real Shanta. When I used to order from Anna Griffin, she had flowers that, you know, was like this, where you can just layer up and stuff like that. Also, to Tsunami Rose on Etsy, she has decoupage flowers too. And all you got to do is print them out and layer them up as well. So if you don't want to do any, you know, cutting, because I don't like fussy cutting. If you don't want to do any fussy cutting, you can just buy them and do them yourself. But, you know, I got all these supplies and I don't use them. It's just time to stop spending so much money and use what I have, which I have gotten a lot better with. You guys don't see me doing haul videos or anything now because I don't buy a whole lot. Now, when I go to Expo now, that's going to be a different thing. But right now, you know, I'm not buying anything because, like I said, I got too much stuff anyway. And I'll be finding stuff. I'll be like, ooh, I forgot I had that. It's a shame when you be surprising your own self. Okay, so like I said, try to do this standing, and I'm filming. I always film standing up too. So let's see. Whew. If I can get this. Okay, yep. And then the last one, I'm gonna cut this video, is over 15 minutes, and this is not even a 5-minute explanation. All right, you guys, so that's it. And then I showed in the last video these stickers that I use, but I'll show them again. And like I said, you can see the dimension on the side. See the dimension on this one. And here are them on actual something. Like I said, these are bigger, of course, but I just scaled the other ones down. And I used Christmas red, lime green, and this big old yellow came from probably Michael's, but it doesn't have a name on it from Ranger, but it's just a yellow. All right, so I hope that helped and stuff like that. And so I'll be back with another video. Like I said, I'll try to do more tutorials and stuff so I can try to get better at it and build my speed up and whatnot. Okay, you guys, I am off. I am cooking some cauliflower for the first time, so hopefully I won't screw that up and it'll be good. And I'm on I'm on a weight loss journey too. So anyway, you guys have a blessed day. I'll be back with another video. Bye.